Hey friends, I just wanted to kind of show you where I'm at. I'm exploring a new place today. And imagine coming out of this and walking into this in the middle of the woods. We are here at a Norfolk's wildlife management area. And it's about 2,000 acres, the sign said. So we're going to go explore and see what we can't find. I'm really excited about this. I actually dipped back into the woods really quickly because I saw this little pond. How cool. So I've managed to walk a couple of miles back in here, and I have found two structures. Super cool. Let's go check it out. Just full of trash. Beer bottles, beer cans, feed bags, fertilizer. Heavy duty motor oil. Still pretty cool though. Find this out in the middle of nowhere. There's a little barn there too, filled with pretty much the same thing. Trash. This is the third or fourth open field. This one's grown up pretty big. I actually have markers so I can make it back to the trail, but it looks like nobody's been back here for quite some time. How cool. Lake Norfolk is just right across those trees. So, I'd like to show you guys something pretty cool. We're here on this wildlife management area, and I keep seeing all these little plants that look really familiar. I just don't know where. I've never seen them anywhere else before, but they look like I should know what they are. So finally, I reached down and I picked one up. It is a freaking turnip. So they're feeding the deer out here turnip grains and peas. How cool is that? So I might have picked a couple of fat turnips to take home with me too. So it's been a great time out here in the wildlife management area. It's very peaceful, very peaceful. I can't hear any cars. The closest thing I heard was a boat earlier on the lake. There's another one. Oh, that's a little guy. Well, I'm gonna go try and find some more turnips. I think this guy's a radish. Feeding the deer better than they're feeding us. Anyway, on I'll just be out here playing in a field in the middle of nowhere. If you need me, try not to. I've already filled my bag. I just want to take a celebratory moment that I can see the car. Oh, I am beat. So friends, I just wanted to take some time and admit that I was wrong, because I can do that today. What we have here is daikon radishes, and we did have turnips. So, still cool. Oh, so today we went and hiked on the North Fork Wildlife Management Area provided by Arkansas Game and Fish Commission, U.S. Corps of Engineers, Special Regulations Apply, refer to current hunting regulation pamphlet, federal aid project, please do not litter, archery only. And on the top it says wildlife restoration. When I got out of the woods, there's somebody's truck parked here too. Gross. We don't like that. That's the last critter I want to run into out in the woods, is a human being. Gross. Of course, I didn't bring any water on this trip either, so come prepared, unlike me. Anyway, thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me at Foraged and Found.